Another jet just hit the ground. Another's coming in, 'cause they can't land in Montreal. It's pea soup time again. The temperature is falling, clouds coming down. The weather says that by 9 o'clock we get socked right to the ground. While I'm a ramp man, they gotta work like hell every time a big jet lands. Well, there ain't no place to send them but the people who wanna go. And outside the terminal, the cars are stuck out in the snow. And out here the freight is piled so high, the forks can't reach the top. Another semi-load of mail just backed into the dock. While I'm a ramp man, they gotta work like hell every time a big jet lands. Well, there ain't a man among us didn't want to fly, but for fate we load freight beneath the leaden sky. And sometimes on the flight decks there are some that came from us, and I've often wondered what it's like to herd that flying bus. 'Cause I'm a ramp man, they gotta work like hell every time a big jet lands. Well, the 1011's coming in, bound for Calgary, so they can take a load and go dump it on the Lone Prairie. Well, we load her up and count the wings, pump in JP4. I push her back and go grab a snack and work overtime some more. Ramp man, they gotta work like hell every time a big jet lands. Ramp man. Good old John, good old John, but he'll raise an uncle from North Saskatchewan. He had a one-room school in North Saskatchewan. Then he took all the boys out hunting with his 22 gun, and that got him fired when they found out what he'd done. 'Cause hunting gophers never was on a school curriculum. Good old John, straight shooting John, he's the best damn teacher in North Saskatchewan. And he remembers when the horses outnumbered the cars, and he did buddy code in the hell of the First Great War. And they came back home and they laid down the service gun, just to start out scrapping in the courts and the elections. Good old John, old ornery John, well, he fought a good fight and he fought till he won. Well, it took him a while, but he reached his destiny. He was right and he's wrong, but he ran this big country. He didn't waste much time when he had a job to do. He worked the House of Commons like a prairie thrashing crew. Good old John, we heard you, John, when the man got paid for the job and the job got done. Well, we all gotta go one day to the cold, cold grave. And when Johnny goes, the North's gonna have it made. He gonna beat the old devil out of all of his energy, so he can steam heat the entire Canadian Lone Prairie. Good old John, don't rush it, John, We can take a few more cold winters in Saskatchewan.